This is Google Docs. Let's insert a line graph. I'm going to hit enter here. I got to go actually and click on insert. And once I'm on insert, I need to find chart, and under chart, line. Boop. It's going to fill it automatically with stats. I don't know what those are. I'm going to click on it though. And I need to go to open source. I click this down arrow here, open source. Here's the data that I don't need. So instead, let's call this cakes and tacos. It's the people's favorite food. So Fred, or how much they ate, eight cakes, one taco. And Kelly ate 2 cakes, 6 tacos. And Nero ate 12 cakes, 12 tacos. Ganesh ate 4 and 3. And then, let's say we're expanding this out. Kurt did 1 and 13. Boom. There we are. Here is our chart ready to rock. I'm going to change the name of this to Food War. And notice we can change a lot of different things over here. Regardless, we now have all that set to go. Let's take a look at our document. Oh no, nothing changed. Wait a minute. Boom, and there we go, the line chart we dreamed of. Ta-da!